day another package for video reviews. Let's see what we got here today. Oh, this is an interesting one. This is a radar motion alarm system. I have to confess I'm not completely familiar with it, so I'm gonna study it before even I do the unboxing. I need to read about it. So this is a radar motion alarm system by the company Letwesaf. So I did a little bit of homework about this product, and now I have a much better idea of how to make it work. So we can say that this is a safety system, like a camera for your driveway or anywhere you can have it around your house, to monitor what's going on around wherever you set it up. So manual instruction here. They say it's intended for camping or RVing or anything. So you pretty much set it up wherever you want it. You set up a perimeter or like an area that you want to cover. You actually walk with it and set it up the area. And that way you get an alarm when something moves within that space. So here it is, for example. You can set it up on a pole, on a tree, or wherever. It comes with a mount for the wall. Here's some specs, technical specs, which I'm not going to read. Safety. And this is what it comes in the box. You can scan this for a quick guide instead of the written instructions. And here are the two units. So this one is the one that goes outside, and you can tell just because it has the hole for the mount. So yeah, this is the mount, very simple, very easy. You put it in here. Then you can attach it wherever you want to go. I'm going to do a demonstration here in my backyard. Here are anchors and screws to put it on a wall, or you can do it with this double adhesive pad if you need that. This is the one you keep with you to get the alarms about what's going on outside. Comes with a USB-C wire, USB-C normal to USB-C, and let's see if they're charged. Here's the port to charge. They don't seem to be charged, so we're gonna do that. It doesn't come with a cube like the iPhone one, so just gonna grab it from other devices that you might have and charge them that way. So let's do that. So there you go, they're charging now. We're gonna wait for the full charge and we'll go outside and do a little test. So they're fully charged now. I'm gonna take them out there, and eventually next week we'll do a test down there in Chile. Wait for that too. So if I read the instructions correctly, we're gonna turn both units on. It's the blue button there. So let's see, pair. There's a reset button here on the side. Let's hit that. You see the lights flashing there. It says on the receiver, which is this one with all the keypad, press the digital key to select the corresponding detector channel, and then press the pairing button. Oh, at the same time. Okay, let's see. Okay, it says pair. Let's try now. So this is not going to be a permanent installation, so I'm going to use this strap to put it here on this palm tree and pretty much set up a parameter for my backyard. And we have Simon, who's going to be our tester for the motion detection. So we're going to say this is our camping site. There's the blue light. And then according to the instructions, oh, Simon got into the pool. You walk around the area you want to cover with the sensor. So in this case, let's go all the way around here. It's a pretty long distance that it can cover. There's Simon swimming in the pool. The detector should be able to capture that too. Here are the instructions again. I'm doing this step, going all the way here on the alley. This is where sometimes I put cars. And I'm doing this part of the process. So, and that's the way it should work. We will leave it there for a little bit. We're gonna get Simon out of the pool. We're gonna do a permanent installation when we are down in our farm down in Chile. Simon, let's go. Come here, come here. Simon.